and welcome to the Great Focus Forum. Today we are going to look at differentiation. Under differentiation, the following are the methods of differentiation we are going to discuss. Differentiation is divided into 6 methods. The first method is the general method of differentiation. The second one is differentiation using the first principle. And the third method is chain rule. The fourth method of differentiation is product rule. And the fifth method of differentiation is quotient rule. And the last method of differentiation is called the implicit differentiation. Straight away, let us start by looking at the first method of differentiation, starting with general method. Here, in differentiation, a function is differentiated directly. For example, given a function y is equals to 3x squared plus 2, then the general formula for differentiation is you take the power, like this, let our power be n, like x raised to power n. Then you take the power, multiply by the function, which is x. Then you take like an example whereby you have been given a function x raised to power n. Then you differentiate by saying you take the power, which is n, you multiply by the function, which is x, then you subtract 1 from the power. That is the general method of differentiation. Here now we have few examples to put across. The first example, we have been given this question: y is equals to 3x plus 2. In our differentiation method, we will use general method by saying we take the power, we multiply by the function, then we subtract 1 from the power. Then this one is going to be dy out of dx being equals to this 2 by 3 into x raised to power 2, but we subtract 1. So our answer will be 6x. That is it. Then example number 2, we have y equals to x squared. Then we have been asked to find dy dx using the general method of differentiation. Then we shall take the power, which is 2. Then we multiply by the function, which is x raised to power 2. Then we subtract 1 from the power. Then our final answer becomes as y equals to 3x. Then the second example, we have been given as y equals to x raised to power 4 minus 6x cubed plus 2x squared. Then finding the function dy over dx will be given by 4. You take the power, multiply by the function, subtract 1 from the power. Then we have 4 times x raised to the power 4. We subtract 1 minus, this is 3 multiplied by 6, which will be giving us 18. Then x cubed minus 1, which is x squared, plus 4 raised to power 2 minus 1. So our final answer will be 4x cubed minus 18 x squared plus 4x. Then let us look for the last example. Let us have one example C. is y is equals to 4x squared plus 3x plus 2. We have been asked to use the general method of differentiation. Then dy out of dx will be equals to 2 multiplied by 4. It's going to give us 8. Then x, but we subtract 1 from the power, which is going to give us 1. So it's just the way it is. Then this one, here we have a power of 1. So it will be 3 into 1 multiplied by x. So this one remain a constant, which is z plus 0. So our final answer becomes as 8x plus 3x. 3, not 3x. That's now our final answer. Now here is a sample of a question exercise that you will test your ability of understanding the general method of differentiation. You will have these two questions. Question A states, find dy dx given the function y is equals to 4x cubed minus 4x squared plus 8x plus 2. Then the second exercise says y equals to 6x squared plus 7x plus 8. Thank you so much for subscribing into my channel. Keep following for more information. Leave your answer in the comment section.